How to transfer money from HDFC to Chase Bank. To make a transfer from HDFC Bank to Chase, you'll need to add a foreign outward remittance beneficiary. First, open the HDFC Bank NetBanking page in a web browser and sign into your account. Once logged in, and with access to all the functionalities, go to the left-sided menu and select Add a Beneficiary under the Request option. After selecting this, you will be able to enter the recipient's details, including their Chase Bank account information. Once you've added the beneficiary, return to the main screen and select Funds Transfer. From there, choose Foreign Outward Remittance. As long as you have added and verified the beneficiary in your NetBanking account, you'll be able to proceed with the transfer. The Chase Bank account details will be automatically set up, and you simply need to choose the origin account from which you want to transfer the money. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.